Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate VWO for CRO improvements tied to keywords, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating VWO for your CRO improvements tied to keywords, start by logging into your VWO account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings option, typically found in the sidebar. Click on integrations from the settings menu. You will see a list of available integrations. Scroll down to find the keyword tracking section. Click on Connect to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your website's domain. Carefully input the domain without any prefixes like www. Next, you will need to generate an authenticate. This token can usually be generated within your SEO tool or keyword tracking software. After obtaining the token, return to the VWO integration page. Paste the token into the appropriate field on the VWO integration setup. Ensure there are no extra spaces or characters in the token. Click Authenticate to confirm the token is valid. If the token is accepted, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, configure the keywords you want to track. Head to the Keywords section in VWO. Enter the relevant keywords that align with your CRO goals. Be sure to consider the keywords with the highest potential impact on conversions. Once you've entered the keywords, save your settings. Now, you can set up experiments linked to these keywords. Navigate back to the dashboard and select Create New Test. Choose the type of test you want, whether A/B or multivariate. In the test setup, you will find an option to link the keywords. Select the previously configured keywords to tie them to this experiment. Continue configuring your test according to your CRO strategy. After setting everything up, review the test details for accuracy. Finally, click Start Test to begin tracking your CRO improvements. Monitor the test results regularly to assess keyword performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.